Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd share another video. I stopped by Kennewick Industrial Supply to pick up my stocks. The stock, and yesterday I picked up a water heater, a gas-fired 50-gallon and natural gas. And the issue was that it was overheating. And so, you know, I always try to vacuum out underneath, so because a lot of times the combustion chamber gets plugged with, you know, different types of lint or dust or whatever it might be, and so, you know, it still didn't resolve the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the bottom of the tank. I have it set over here on its side before I drop it off, so I'm going to flip around here and see if we can get this to flip. So I'm just going to turn the phone around. I'm having a hard time getting it to flip here in the light anyway. So here's the bottom part of the water heater, and as you can see, the bottom of the water heater actually has calcified, and almost from the rust steam that has developed on the bottom, and I believe that that's actually what sealed the bottom of the combustion chamber, which then caused the water heater to overheat. So I just thought I would share that one. That's just a theory of mine, you know. I don't know exactly why the water heater was overheating and shutting off, but as you can see, the fins are actually covered with some sort of buildup, and that must just be from the steam, maybe. It's hard telling. Can't really see the inside casing and see if it's leaking or what the problem is, but the tank's 13 years old, and so yeah, just thought I'd share that with everybody. Okay then, that's Dean Bell with Action Man Plumbing checking out for the day. Have a good day.